As you can see, the water's pretty full. It's still pouring in. This is my Microphor toilet. I've just replaced this plastic piece here. I'm going to flush it because it's going to overflow. Everything goes down great. The flapper works great. It closes up and then it fills up. Water pressure's on. You can still hear it. Still coming up. And it used to stop right around there, but it will keep filling up. That's what the mechanism looks like. That's the timer. I just changed this top part here. You can hear it still like hissing. It looks like it stopped. Wow. Hey, it just stopped by itself. That's interesting. I guess the camera scared it. I want to keep playing with it and see if it does that again. Okay, Mark Lister, over and out.